How to fix PhoneExperienceHost.exe error. So if you want to fix the PhoneExperienceHost.exe error, then what you need to do is, the first thing is you need to disable PhoneLink from running at boot. So right click on your taskbar, go with Task Manager. Once you're under the Task Manager, now here you will have the running apps. So you just need to simply go and search for the PhoneLink app. If you have the PhoneLink app right here, you just need to simply go for the PhoneLink and you need to go and disable it. You'll have the startup apps right here. Just go with PhoneLink. If you have the PhoneLink right here, which is in my case, which is right here, you just need to simply right click on it and then go with disable. Once you've disabled it, your problem may be fixed. But even after disabling, if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to disable your PhoneLink from running in the background. To do that, you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with apps, go with installed apps. Once you're under the installed apps, you will have the PhoneLink application. You just need to simply search for PhoneLink. If you have the PhoneLink, then you just need to simply click on it and you need to go with background apps permission and you need to turn off or disable the PhoneLink from running in the background. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the PhoneLink. But even if that doesn't fix your problem, then the last and only way is to uninstall the PhoneLink. So to uninstall your PhoneLink, you just need to simply search for PhoneLink. And once you've searched here, you will get the uninstall option. You just need to simply go and uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, then your problem will be fixed. You just need to simply go and restart, and that's it. That's how you can fix PhoneExperienceHost.exe error on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.